Eight-time Olympic gold medalist Usain Bolt can now feel more assured that his world records will remain intact following a recent announcement by World Athletics. Jordan Fort reports.
Track and Field's world governing body today said it would put a cap of 20 millimeters on the thickness of the sole of spikes starting November 1, 2024. Track spikes can currently measure from 20 to 25 millimeters in stack height, while the mark is 40 millimeters for road shoes. World Athletics says the time frame for implementation will give manufacturers sufficient notice. Recent world records on the track and on the road have sparked debate over whether faster spikes are giving current athletes an unfair advantage in breaking world records. Both the men's and women's 5,000 and 10,000 meter world records have been broken within the last year and a half. Earlier this year, eight-time Olympic champion Jamaican Usain Bolt called the advancement in technology of track spikes, which may see his world records threatened, laughable and unfair. Olympic champions Elaine Thompson-Herah and Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce competed in controversial spikes made by Nike when they became the two fastest women alive this year. There are also reports of several other top Nike athletes, including American Olympic silver medalist Fred Curley, wearing what is known as the super spikes in recent competitions. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.